Hello everyone, it's Marc Schiliro, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and today I'm going to do a walk-around presentation video on this absolutely awesome custom go-kart that is truly a one-of-a-kind piece of rolling artwork. It has been themed red, white, and blue. We the people, this is the ultimate piece for someone to show, display, or simply enjoy. Come a little closer and check it out. This custom go-kart is a one-of-a-kind rolling piece of artwork. It was built from scratch by Phil Fanelli of New York. Phil's vision was to create the ultimate go-kart with a patriotic theme. His vision came to life when it was completed in 2025. Since completion, it's been used a total of 6.9 hours, as the Runleader Tach Hour Meter indicates. MS Classic Cars purchased this beautiful machine from Phil on May 5th, 2026. We decided to list it today, which is May 22nd, in perfect time for Memorial Day weekend. Coincidentally, May 22nd is also my 28th wedding anniversary with my beautiful wife, Jamie Schiliro. Just want to make sure I included that information. So first thing that Phil did is he took this strong steel tubing, which he sourced from a place called Pacemaker, and he created a custom fabricated chassis. It has 12 inches of ground clearance. It was painted in the colors of red, white, and blue. Foam padding was added in various areas for protection. The side panels were also fabricated, painted, and decorated with We the People decals. It was outfitted with an adjustable Pro high back race seat that has a R&P black padded seat cover. The driver is secured by a tank-up 4-piece harness for safety. The floor was treated with black textured paint for durability. The 3-spoke padded steering wheel turns the Flaming River rack and pinion steering unit. The column was set up with an electric start on the left side and a light switch on the right side. When the light switch is illuminated, the cowl LED headlights, LED taillights, and flagpole LED lights, as you can see. The column is also equipped with a custom backlit tachometer. The BDX Performance front suspension consists of RFY shocks with white springs and A-arms that can be easily greased. The rear suspension also consists of RFY shocks with white springs. The rear was set up with a BMI Karts heavy-duty thick chromoly axle. It is equipped with a 2-piece 60-inch sprocket on an aluminum hub for easy sprocket changes. The front wheel is set up with 2 disc brakes, which have gold calipers and drill rotors. The rear is set up with 1 disc brake that has a black caliper and drill rotor. It rolls on black polished steel wheels that are mounted to Duro tires. Again, they're brand spanking new. It's powered by a Predator 22 horsepower V-twin engine with a Go Power Sports 780 series TAV drive system. It has a remote oil catch can, a Drainzit hose, and Edelbrock chrome air cleaner. The engine breathes through a custom exhaust with a removable DB killer. The engine has only been run with Valvoline VR1 oil and non-ethanol gas only. This engine's got plenty of power, and this machine is very comfortable. Receipts, instruction manuals, and extra parts are included. As I mentioned earlier, you can show it, display it, or you can use it. So this is really something that is truly unique. The minute that I saw it, I fell in love with it. At MS Classic Cars, we're very diversified in what we collect. Matter of fact, after we go live with this tonight, on Monday, we are going live with a beautiful wheel horse tractor that's been fully customized. It's a pulling tractor. It's in the same type of quality and show condition as what this is, something that we're very proud of. So we try to keep it mixed up at MS Classic Cars. Besides just doing classic cars and trucks and motorcycles, we love to get into automobilia, memorabilia, and things like this. So I will say that this is going to be selling on an upcoming Bring a Trailer online auction, and it will be selling with no reserve. So that means that the high bidder is going to win. Because this is on 4 wheels and it's easily maneuverable and so forth, we can definitely set up enclosed shipping anywhere in the 48 lower United States. We'll make sure to cover it with a brand new plastic cover once it's loaded. So the new owner will get it in the exact condition that you see here, okay? So please check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. Check out the highlights, description, the hundreds of photos, the videos, etc. We are going to go ahead and start it right now, so make sure to stay tuned for that as this video comes to an end. We appreciate you watching. We ask that you sign up for our VIP newsletter. That is the best way to follow us, and also follow us on all of our social media platforms. We truly appreciate the business, and good luck if you're interested in bidding on this sweet ride. Keep it classic and always rock and roll. Here we go. All right, lights and cold start. Here we go.